Welcome back. As we have seen how to log in and use the TechoVE app with school login. Now we will see how to log in with the teacher login. For that, enter the email and password received on teacher's email ID. Don't forget to select teacher in roll. This is the teacher dashboard, and you can see the options of class schedules, attendance, student activities, etc. In student management, click on Add button. Fill all the details like name, roll number, select the class and division, add email on which you will receive the password for student login and save. This way you can add the students in the ERP system. But before adding students, you need to have access request approved from Vedant Tech. Students could check that in TechoVE. Here in Manage Leaves, the teacher can check the student leaves requested by the students from TechoVE. Also, the teacher can add a request for leave which can be approved by the school admin login. In Timetable section, click on Add button and add the subject, time and date accordingly. This way, school daily timetable will be generated and that can be seen in the TechoVE. Subjects, and that will be automatically displayed in TechoVE. Also, you can view, edit and delete that result for that particular student. You can mark the student attendance. Just tap on P, which is present, and A means absent. Then submit the attendance and you can download the report. Also, the teacher can check their own attendance in teacher attendance section for more options. In next video, we will see how the student login is used in TechoVE application of ERP system.